This is Gunsman 225. I've been watching some Cutlery Lovers, uh, little reviews and stuff on knives, and saw a couple reviews and different things on his butterfly knives, and I thought maybe I should show y'all mine. So it comes with the case. It was a cheap knife. I paid $27 for it. It's a cheap made knife, but it comes with a little case, and it's just made out of some cheaper metal. Got the little design on it there on the handles. Has the clip for your belt, and also the sheath, I guess you'd call it, has the loop for your belt. Velcro. It has a free swinging latch. I guess I need to put that on the camera for you. Here, let me. Free swinging latch. And the blade is just a plain blade. I would like to have one that is on the spring system like Cutlery Lover has. I guess I should call him Jeff. I don't know. But he has one that stops right there. It's on the spring, made by Benchmade. But this, I don't even know who makes this. All it says is stainless steel. Don't have any emblems or anything on it, so I'm guessing this is just a cheap Chinese, Taiwan made something or another. But it's actually, I guess, halfway decent for being imported, and $24, $27. It's got the sandwich thing and sandwich handle. And actually, if you put just pressure on this, it'll start to bend, but you can't bend it all the way down. So, and also, what I don't like about this is it's kind of, I mean, I guess it's for the free going of the knife, like so you can sling it around, but it's really like loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, or if I need to tighten mine up, or what. If y'all would let me know, because this is my first butterfly knife. I'm assuming it's a Balisong, but I'm not positive. I'm just not positive on what it is. But I know a couple moves on it. I actually just took the tape. I had some painter's tape on it because I cut myself slinging it around. This blade is sharp. It's just because it's cheap does not mean it's dull by any extent. Sharper than a razor. I didn't even feel it go through my finger. But I've always had a knife collection, and I thought I might show y'all that. I'm starting to get into stuff that Cutlery Lover's into, like Zippos and butterfly knives and stuff like that. You know, I hope to keep on collecting. I have 8 guns. That was before I started watching him. I had knives before I started watching him. Now I want Zippos. I even asked the guy if he had any Zippos that I would trade him some knives. But anyway, kind of got off subject. But here's the sheath again. with the the loop for your belt, and this the knife fits in there nice, and nice Velcro. I mean, it's kinda sticky just a little bit, but like too much, but I mean, it holds the knife in there and it won't fall out unless you pull it. So I mean, that's good. But thank you for watching, and have a great day.